Heya! Welcome to St. Rose of London. Thank you for joining me. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of Flip Through and First Impressions. I'm so excited, so let's get into it. So here we are. I'm so excited to review the Angel Guide. It looks beautiful already, as you can see. And on the back we have, you know, your angel guides are waiting to connect with you. I know they are. So it says the Angel Guide Oracle is a bridge between heaven and earth, bringing together 44 images of guardian angels with insightful, supportive and healing keyword messages. So you can pause this and have a read. So tarot decks are notoriously hard to open, but I already did some pre-cutting.
Okay, right, I'm still struggling, hold on. It's like Christmas! Ooh.
Lovely, beautiful, vivid picture. Let's open it. So Kyle Gray is really popular. All his work is really great. Ooh, a bit tough on the box. Wow, okay. So I love when there's a little message on the inside. It says, "Thank you, angels, for reminding me of your presence and for revealing to me what I need to know. I am willing to listen and receive. So it is, Ashe." So, this is like a little saying you could say when you are doing your readings for people. We've got the book, the guidebook. Lovely image again. So we've got the guidebook and the cards. I'm so excited. Sorry, I will stop doing that. So we got the guidebook and the cards. Let's have a little look on the guidebook. Quite thick. Again, explains some more. Do you know your angels are constantly ready to share guidance with you? Yet so often we're distracted by daily life and don't recognize these divine signs when they come our way. And then you can read the rest and then pause it. So you see Kyle Gray, he's the world's leading angel teachers and he has a lot to say in his book. So the cards are described, your message and then an extended message, looks like for each one. Okay, it seems to be in alphabetical order, so it's really easy to find the one that you need. So these are just a few examples, you see. Let's see. So you have about the author, about the artist. We have so it also tells you the deck explained. It tells you bonding with your cards. How do you do this? Connecting and communication. It explains, you know, how to shuffle cards, jump in cards, which is my technique, you know, reading for yourself or another person, and reverse cards. Also it gives you lots of spreads. So let's see if we've got a spread. So you got the 3-card spread, strength, heart and challenge. So this book is really good, really in depth. It's kind of what you should expect, how to read, how to shuffle, and all the explanation that you need. So this is a perfect book, nice in depth, and it will definitely help you if this is the first oracle card deck that you've ever had. So let's move on to the main show. Okay, so they're glossy, they're quite thick. The back of it is a beautiful image, very angelic, okay, vibrant, very vibrant. So this would look good on your tarot spread, I know. So number 1, let's have a look. So we're going to do a flip through. So I hope that you can see this perfectly. Okay, so we have angelic protection. I would definitely want to be protected by him. We have ask and receive. Sometimes that's all we need to do. Ask and receive. Meditate and pray. Blessings and abundance. There's not much more to say on that, is there? This is the energy, the power that we hold within us. Whoops. Clear, cancel and release. I love it. This is kind of like letting go, you know, what no longer serves us. Beautiful imagery, honestly. This is how you should look when you block someone. Compassion. This is so much of the heart space. You know, you got the green for the heart chakra. And I love it, you know, beautiful melanin. And that's one thing I really love, when they include different races and they represent, you know, all colors. I love it. Composure. This is like my meditation card. Like, put the sword down and just sit with it and compose yourself before you take action. Courage and bravery. You know, I think we all need this to get through life. You know, it can be quite scary at times. She looks very brave, I can't lie. Cut the cords. Yes, cut the cords. No more karmic relationships, just cut the cord. Beautiful. And I love the imagery, you know, like the energetic cord between you and someone else. Just cut it off. Divine timing. I love this kind of portal, you know, when we're ready to go through that door, it's already open for us, right? Divine timing. Do the work. A lot of us have, you know, had the knowledge, and now it's time to really do the work. Love it. And I like the Merkaba as well. We got earth and ground. This is another nice meditation card. We really need to connect to the earth, you know, to feel grounded. And what a beautiful depiction. I'm in love with the art. Honestly, I'm in love. Ease and grace. How more zen can you get in one card? Expect miracles. I love this. I think this is me. Expect miracles. It's on its way, okay? Forgiveness and understanding. Okay, we really need this in life. I think this is a beautiful card also. Friendship and union. I just love the depiction, you know. We have men and women in this. We have so much diversity. I think this is the golden standard, you know, that a lot of cards should kind of live up to. Guardian angel. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is she? Honestly, like, this is how I would imagine my guardian angels, honestly. And she's got dreadlocks. I just can't deal. I can't deal. Oh, harmony and resolution. You know, when you're just having like a major problem, you're like, how do I solve this? And then you'll see this card and you'll be like, wow, like, this is spirit, you know? Harmony and resolution. Healing energy. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love the, like, the art on her face. It's like, we are part of nature, like, it's all one. We are all one. We got that, you know, Kundalini energy as well, surrounded by nature. Healing, nature heals. Holy love. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. This is really beautiful. I mean, it looks like a rose, I want to say there as well. Wow. I could stick on this card forever. I think I'm trying to choose my favorite card, but I love them all, honestly. Holy love. This reminds me of just like that pure love, you know, the hope in marriage. I just, holy. Honesty and communication. You have to be honest, you know. And we all need that little encouragement when it comes to communication. It's not always easy. Love the colours, honestly. Inner child healing. Oh, just honour your inner child. Like, this is so beautiful. And it's like surrounded by love. You know, the sun In tarot, it has sometimes is depicted with the little child, like being really playful. We still got the sun energy in here, so that's really lovely. Inner child healing, intuition and downloads. Yes, this is it. I love it. Like, downloads, give me more downloads. I love them. I think this is like, you know, the people who do like healing work and spiritual work, they will be very happy with this card, right? We all need some downloads from the universe. Joy and contentment. I mean, you can't get more happy in a card. This is happiness in a card, like truly beautiful. Learning experience. I hope that on this channel you'll be able to, you know, learn something. I myself, I'm learning all the time, and I absolutely love learning and unlearning. And you know, I love the crystal imagery as well, and it's all about going within, you know. Listen deeply. Your angels are near. Listen to them. They're always trying to communicate with you. Angel numbers, signs, songs, manifestation. Powerful, powerful. Imagine yourself manifesting like this, you know. Energy within your hands, listening, looking at the stars, feeling the cosmos around you. Amazing. You know what? Mother, Father, God, you know, creation, mother and father making you. And we've got sacred geometry just there. And wow, honestly, no. We need this card sometimes. No. Say no. Don't say yes when you want to say no. Do not disrespect yourself like that. Opportunity and change. This card will change people's life, honestly. Sometimes we just need to be open and see the opportunity. Love it. Don't be scared of change. Power and intuition. He looks very powerful to me. Raise your vibration. You know, some people just need this card. Like, just show them this card and be like, raise your vibration right now. Love it. I absolutely love it. Romance and connection. Whoever gets this card is going to be a very happy person. How beautiful is this union? Like, love it. I love this. This is beautiful. This is for all the twin flames out there. Sacred plan. We all have a plan. We all have a plan. Divine timing. How beautiful. Self-acceptance. And I love they used like a black girl for this with her natural curly hair, because I think, you know, we're taught that we're not supposed to wear our curly hair to work. Like, it's just not accepted. It doesn't look neat. But actually, no, we should have self-acceptance of ourselves, self-love, and we're not going to let anyone tell us that our hair is not good enough. Signs and reminders, and this is important. This is for the person that, you know, has forgotten that the world talks to us, you know. They're all around. It could be nature, it could be the butterflies, it could be the feather you see on the floor. All signs. Spiritual growth. This is what I'm here for. I love this. And this is the one chosen for the cover of the book. So amazing. Strength and guidance. Beautiful. I love it. I love his hair as well. But you know, it's just that creator energy, you know. He is there, or she is there to give us strength and guidance always. And what we are meant to do is surrender to it. When we surrender, we feel the love, we feel divine, we feel the divine love within us, right? Take a step back, see what the situation is and get the bigger picture. You know, he's got the energy. He's saying take a step back and you will see what I'm trying to show you. Take charge and action. Mars energy, this is it, you know. Progress and transformation. I love it. I feel like you can almost feel the energy moving, you know, the way it's drawn. And it's just like a vortex. and you just emerge and you're transformed. I love it. Trust the universe. We always have to trust the universe. This is beautiful. I kind of feel like it's inscripted, you know, like ancient symbols. I love it. Trust the universe. And we're nearly at the end. Vulnerability and freedom. Okay. I love the sky imagery in the background, her wings, everything about it. She's just so beautiful and graceful. And, you know, we can be graceful in our vulnerability. It doesn't have to be such a scary experience. And then finally, yes! I think this whole deck is a yes from me. I am so impressed. Honestly, like, every card in the deck, I'm like, yes, 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 yes. It's so vivid. The card stock is really good. You know, shuffling it is, you know, simple. I would have loved to see kind of numbers on them, but I feel like it doesn't need it. And I'm just really impressed, really impressed with this deck. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and please like, share and subscribe. This is a beautiful deck, and I highly suggest and recommend that you get this deck. I'll put the link for the Amazon below, and I hope you enjoyed our flip through with the Angel Guide Oracle.